Maine's two largest hospital systems will require all staff get the COVID-19 vaccine. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Amanda Hill in for Cindy Williams.
And I'm Pat Callahan. These announcements come after MaineHealth Regional Hospital made the same decision last week. New CENTER Maine's Chris Costa joins us now. And Chris, these hospitals are all taking different approaches.
Pat and Amanda, that's right. Northern Light Health is tying its requirement to when the FDA gives full approval to one of the vaccines. MaineHealth is using a deadline of October 1st. And Maine hospital officials say there are plans to develop a statewide policy. Let's take a closer look.
Here's how it will work at Northern Light Health. Staff must get their first shot of a Pfizer, Moderna, or Johnson & Johnson vaccine within 2 weeks of the FDA lifting the emergency use authorization on any one of those brands. Right now, about 20% of staff across the Northern Light system have not yet gotten a vaccine. If they refuse to get a vaccine, they'll be removed from the schedule and not allowed to work until they're vaccinated. Senior leadership say one of the main reasons some staff have hesitated is they're waiting for full authorization by the FDA.
You know, it may not be the right fit for everyone. The decisions that people make for not getting vaccinated, we have to respect them. I think it really comes down to responsibility and obligation to the profession that we've committed our careers to.
MaineHealth is taking a slightly different approach. Maine's largest hospital system will require all employees to be fully vaccinated for COVID-19 by October 1st, without any link to the FDA's full approval of a vaccine. Right now, about 83.8% of MaineHealth employees are already fully vaccinated. Those who refuse may be terminated.
The FDA full approval really was not a consideration of ours. The safety and efficacy thresholds for the emergency use authorization for FDA are essentially the same as for full approval. You know, and for when you're working in healthcare and you're working with patients, it's so important that our patients feel safe when they're around our healthcare team members, that they feel safe that they're not going to contract COVID from somebody who's trying to treat them.
Now, the president of the Maine Hospital Association says they are actively discussing statewide policy on this. In a statement, Stephen Michaud says MHA is very supportive of the hospitals and systems moving in this direction. Many more will soon follow. While we do not relish imposing this on our unvaccinated employees, the health and well-being of our patients trumps all. It is the most logical step to keep safe the patients who are relying on us to cure and care for them. MaineHealth Regional Hospital also requires staff to be vaccinated. We reached out to Central Maine Healthcare and are waiting for a response. Pat and Amanda.
All right, thank you, Chris.